Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is March 18, 2024. Here's another daily analysis, starting with the S&P 500 daily chart. So we got uptick today as it is the rhyme for the last 5 months. I should say this time is going to be a different, probably, as we are just getting back test again to SMA 20 for a couple of times here. And right now we are at March 18, which I'm kind of like expecting some kind of like a pullback is coming to the market. Wednesday is going to be a Fed meeting. I don't expect they cut the rate this meeting. Probably they're going to just signal for April or afterwards. If they don't signal for April, that's going to be a bloodbath. If you ask me, that's going to be a bloodbath for the market. So market can go all the way down to potentially 5,000 or 4,084 to 4,000, 4,848 or 4,900. So that's going to be the level that I'm looking for. Not on Wednesday. It's going to be a gradual move, but a 5 to 10% correction is going to be kind of like a no surprise for us if you see from the market. Actually, that's going to be very, very healthy. And I should say that would be kind of like a good scenario. So market momentum is like exactly what we're seeing in 2021. So this is kind of like concerning me because after COVID, when we see like at this 2020 October bottom here, so this is exactly the right after this, but we ended up to January 2022, like after 2 years, goes all the way back down to 1 year bear market. So right now we are in 2 year cycle, and 2 year cycle is starting February to March. That's going to be kind of like interesting to see if we get some kind of like a pullback. Moving on to Nasdaq. Here is Nasdaq 4 hour chart. As you see here, we got a good pop today, and just going all the way up here using this topping tail as like top information here. Exactly, this is a good technical level that we should expect. The reversal is coming. So this is just for yesterday, and then it comes down and then jump back down. And also this is doji bar afterwards, I should say. If you go to individual names, which we will get in a bit, so you will see that there is potential downside is coming. And today it just was kind of like an AI hype due to news to Google and Apple, which both ended a pretty sharp sell-off last hour of the trading session. So this is an hourly chart. This is 4 hour chart. And if you go to daily chart for NASDAQ, so you'll see that we're kind of like getting below this SMA 20 even, and right now we're just looking for kind of like a sharp decline to 17,400. This is going to be a good amount of support here. If you lose this one, which is going to be a 17,300, then we can expect some kind of like a volatile price action all of it going down to 16,000 area. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow is the same as the other names. So Dow is just consolidating and shopping around for, it's been a while that we can see that Dow is doing this. So we're still in kind of like a no man's land. If we get below these pivots, I should say SMA 50 is going to be engulfed to the downside, and we can go all the way down to here, which is going to be 36,800. This is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity, I should say, for aggressive traders as well. I'm just looking for this one because I believe that the bull is not over, at least by this summertime. So we should expect more rallies coming, but after a good correction or corrective move. Gold coming down then up today. So this is a weekly. Let me go to daily chart. I'm kind of like a bullish in gold, looking for kind of like chomping around here. So again, Wednesday is going to be a news for gold, stock market, everything. But if it gives us kind of like a good buying opportunity, I should say, gold can increase to higher highs. I'm just looking for this as a corrective move. So let's see if it can just going all the way down to a 221.20 area. So looking for stochastic, actually our momentum indicator to get back down to oversold condition, bull reversal. And when it comes to the price time as well, so 20 to 21 30, that's going to be the good area for gold to see if there is a good support and nice rally to the next move to the upside. So still waiting for that one. Moving on to crude, which had a pretty good positive day today. So 2% up, still in this corrective rally. This is a good corrective rally, actually. It's been multi-month correction within this trend line to the downside. So the next move is coming, I believe that 82 to 84. As I said, it's going to be good area for a reversal. Still no sign of reversal, but if it gets there, so if reversal comes, we should see some kind of like a good price action going all the way down to 61 to 63, which we are kind of like waiting for that one as well. So moving on to I believe, yeah, I covered all this stuff. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin chart here. So Bitcoin had a negative day today. So it's coming down after Friday session to the upside, Sunday session to the upside. Saturday was down as well, Sunday up. So here is today price action. It's coming down 1%. Bit, I believe that if it goes below this 60,000, that's going to be very, very important. If it goes below this and a pullback, a good sell-off coming all the way down, that's going to be a still possibility to 42 to 44. So we will see how it goes. Moving on to US yield, which kind of like getting to this top information, yield already moved to the upside. Everyone is waiting for Wednesday. I don't think it's gonna spike up crazy. So, well, probably they're gonna just pause or something, but yield, how far it's gonna go. So it can go probably if it goes even 4.90. I'm not saying if it can not get there, but about 5%, that's gonna be less likely happening. And we should see some kind of like a reversal coming. And the next reversal, I'm telling you folks, the next reversal is gonna be below 4%. So um, just keep an eye on that one. Treasuries are coming down, but after hours it goes higher. So Treasury is still waiting for kind of like a confirmation from the yield. If it takes out this pivotal point, can go all the way down to 89 to 90 for a great buying opportunity. This is forming one of the biggest bullish pattern that I've seen. Potentially, I've seen this type of like bullish pattern in Nasdaq uh, when it was in October, September, October, and November correction, when it blew off to the top. So you see that the parabolic move is coming after that. So it's kind of like the same pattern. Wix just 8 cents down, nothing spectacular. Dixie up today with bond yield going along with bond yield. So it goes to here to this pivotal point. I should say that's going to be the next reversal. If it takes out this pivotal point, this means this demand area is fail because it ended up to the lower high and it can go lower low here to this area, which is going to be $100 Dixie. So we'll see how it goes. Microsoft or Magma is our next indicator, which kind of like a bullish consolidation. I believe it can go lower. Apple, look at this. So Apple just sharply gapped up today with AI news going all the way up almost 2-3% positive today, 178 touched, and then boom, sellers to control coming down. I believe that this is a very, very nice reversal here. And I should say a lower low is coming with Apple. So you know my levels. I just repeat myself. So these are my levels for a next great buying opportunity. Amazon, the same pattern here, comes down. Meta is the good one here today. So hold up pretty well. Microsoft is the same. It's kind of like a positive 90 cents. Google, look at that. So this chart tells me that the reversal is here. The pop and then drop nicely. So this is a nice inverted hammer, shooting a star, topping tail, whatever you want to call it. This is a good bearish sign. So we have seen this from Google, especially when it is at extreme high. It goes with a gap high and then sharp sell-off. So this means there is no buyers anymore, sellers to control the entire session. Netflix coming up today, $12.51. Tesla, great move today, 6% to the upside, $10. So this is the area that I was looking for. Tesla reacted, which reacted today, needs to go again, recapture this 200 area. So if it goes above this, pullback, great buying opportunity, $300 Tesla is coming. I know, everyone's just saying, boo, boo. No, it's not going to happen. But we'll see how it goes. I'm kind of like a positive in Tesla for now. SMH reversing downside. So this one is coming down. Momentum is losing stocks. The same pattern here. Taiwan Semiconductor is coming down as well. AMD was negative today. Look at after hours. It goes to 186. NVIDIA as well. So sellers took control. Look at after hours. It goes to 879. Texas Instrument, look at the bearish engulfing here. This is crazy, guys. This one can go all the way down here for a great buying opportunity. Lam Research, $15 up today, but hold up pretty well. It's going to follow semiconductors as well. XLF, 8 cents up today. KBE, 43 cents down. KRE, 68 cents down. JP Morgan, $2.36 up today, and a great move for JP Morgan, new all-time high. Goldman Sachs coming down. There is a divergence in banks, right? So JP Morgan, new all-time high. Goldman Sachs are down. Bank of America, 60 cents up. Good price action. Wells Fargo, good price action as well. So 26 cents up today. Gold miners, they just are coming down today. Not a bad price action. I believe that they can just have, again, this area is a good test buying opportunity for the next rally. I'm kind of like a positive in this sector. This sector needs to have kind of like a shopping round for next 2-3 weeks. GDXJ, 39 cents down today. AEM coming down. Newmont is up today. Look at that. So Franco-Nevada, fantastic move, like $116 right now. So it goes to this important area, consolidation, can add to higher price. 122 is coming. Gold Barrick, 13 cents down today. This one can go down to $15-ish, then it can go higher. XLE, this is interesting. Crude was positive. These ones actually are lagging today. This is a warning sign for crude. XLE down today. XOP down today, 72 cents. OH, 84 cents up. Exxon, $3 up as well. So Chevron coming down. These names are lagging, so this is kind of like a warning sign for crude, and I should say crude is about to roll over as well. All right, I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good